Hello, this is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, here to show you a recipe from Maangchi's Real Korean Cooking, available at the Greensboro Public Library. Today's recipe is Kimchi Stew. For your ingredients, you will need kimchi, kimchi brine, enoki mushrooms, tofu, green onions, white onion, salt, sugar, hot pepper paste, hot pepper flakes, toasted sesame oil, and any type of stock. First, you're going to heat a pan or a pot over medium heat on the stove and put the kimchi and the kimchi brine in. Then you're going to add your white onions and your enoki mushrooms to the pan. This may take up a lot of space, so it would be easier to use a pot if you plan to have a lot of this in there. After it is cooked down for a little bit, you're going to add your green onion, your salt, sugar, red pepper paste, and red pepper flakes, and then stir it all together and cover. After letting it simmer for a few minutes, you're going to add in your sesame oil and your stock. Then you'll stir it together and cover and cook for an additional 10 minutes. Then you'll add in your tofu and cover and cook for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, you'll top with fresh green onions and serve. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL collection, and I'll see you next time.